It was the company who approached you or the suspects who approached you?
No, okay, very good question. Thank you for the question. We were approached, or rather I was approached first by a representative of the company. I went for a meeting in which there were 4 representatives of the company who met up with me. At that material time, one of a medium level officer of the company had already been arrested, independent to the riot. And that is where Rafique was then appointed, also by the company, around 9 p.m. that night, for the purposes to attend the remand proceedings which were scheduled for the following day at about 11 o'clock in the morning. At the same time, when I was appointed and still in the office, I overseed the officer's appointment with the necessary investigating officer in IPD Subanjaya for them to attend and give their necessary statements at 12 p.m. the following day, Tuesday. However, these 2 officers, which are still in remand, together with Rafique's client, those 2 officers were arrested at about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning from where they were. So there was, of course, no temu janji on the following day which we needed to attend, and that is why I as well attended for the remand proceedings on Tuesday because they were already under remand. So our first appearance, where we saw the clients in court, was on Tuesday at around 11-ish a.m.
So they're supposed to record the statement from the 2 officers Tuesday afternoon?
Yeah. Initially, there was the arrangement. Initially, there was the appointment. At night, about 9 p.m., one of the officers, I asked him to speak to the IO and fix the appointment for the following day at 12 p.m. But that didn't happen because they were already arrested at 1-2 o'clock in the morning. So then thereafter, everything else which happened was pertaining to the investigation which the police conducted, which they have a right to conduct until now, since they are in remand. Tapi mereka bertiga ni yang kami maksudkan adalah pegawai-pegawai dan pekerja syarikat One City Development yang tidak semestinya berada di tempat kejadian di mana rusuhan itu dikatakan berlaku. Jadi ada juga salah faham yang mengatakan kami mewakili beberapa orang yang dikatakan telah merusuk di situ. Itu pun adalah satu kenyataan yang tidak betul sama sekali. Kami mewakili 2 orang pegawai dan 1 pekerja syarikat One City Development yang tidak semestinya berada di tempat kejadian pada pagi 26 November. And I have to stress that sebab seperti yang dinyatakan tadi, biar siasatan selesai. We should not interrupt the investigation.
So you deny the statement that you are representing the attackers? Right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes, we are going on record to say that we have never been representing any attackers.
Yeah.
Our role is that we are to represent One City Development, to protect their interest and their duty to actually cooperate and assist with the police. At the same time, if any of their officers are called for questioning or investigations with regards to this event, we are to assist legally, whatever the process may be. So that is our role as the advocates and solicitors for One City on this issue.
So these people have been accused. These people linked to One City, these officers and employees, have been accused of, paying money to the so-called thugs to attack. So, what is the legal standing of the company? Because the court order kata it's One City's land. Right. So what's the standing of these people? They hire 50 people to guard their land. So what's the legal standing?
Now, this is the matter which is the subject of investigation. And if we are to allow the police to have proper investigation, we shall not interfere by making unnecessary comments. If just for the sake of entertaining your question, we answer, which we can answer actually, but there will be interfering with the investigation. That would not be fair. That would not be legal on our part. That would be wrong. Jadi soalan yang tanya, walaupun merujuk kepada fakta apa yang berlaku, itulah subjek perkara yang menjadi bahan siasatan pihak polis. Kenapa, bagaimana, betul ke perkara itu berlaku, betul ke ada apa berjumlah dibayar, biar pihak polis menyiasat. Saya dan Raja Rafique tidak berhak untuk memberi komen tentang kebernasan ataupun kesahihan ataupun ketidaksahihan isu yang dibangkitkan tersebut. Sama ada disentuh dalam sidang akhbar kementerian semalam ataupun tidak. We are not going to make comments on the what do you call it, subject matter of investigation. That would be very non-legal on the part of lawyers.